up, Amazon shoppers? I want to share with you this really great bed. This is the Allewie full bed. It comes in twin, full, queen, and king, and it is one of the top selling headboards, complete bed sets that you can get on Amazon. This, of course, does not include the cost of a mattress, but you do save when you purchase this bed set because you don't have to buy a box spring. That's pretty cool. Let's go into all the different features. First of all, it is a really cool tufted flannel headboard. This one here is in gray, but it comes in a cream color, it comes in a black color, and it even comes in a leather look. There might even be a couple other colors too. Tons of design choices for you to pick from. It is a nice low profile, so it's not going to take up the whole wall when you install it. And something that's really cool about this headboard is that it's actually adjustable. So if you have a mattress that's thicker than this one, you can actually raise the headboard so you don't lose headboard to a thick mattress. So this one took me probably about an hour in total to put together, which I think is pretty reasonable. Let's talk about some of the really cool features that are in this bed. The button details are really cool. It's modern and chic. This has space-saving options. Now there are 4 drawers underneath here. This isn't just wasted space. So you just have to do a little lift and the drawer comes out on casters. So you put this all together. There's a knob here and a little hook and eye here. And when you close it, all you have to do is just lift it up a little bit and it secures it. And then it's not gonna come out on you and it keeps everything nice and tight. One of the reasons I purchased this is I love the space-saving feature. With something like this, you actually don't need to buy a dresser because you have tons of storage space for clothes, blankets, jackets, out of season stuff. That's pretty awesome. The construction of the bed is super sturdy. So even though it all comes in a box that's just this wide, one of the neat things about it is you have a really sturdy bed underneath. Now you can see the wooden slat construction down there. Everything ships, you put it together, and it's really sturdy. You don't need a box spring with this bed, which is pretty awesome. Something else that's really cool is the tufted footboard. So it matches exactly like the headboard you see there, only it's down there. I will give you a close-up of all the drawers and the headboard and the footboard in just a couple minutes. As I said before, this is one of the top selling headboards, complete bed set, not including a mattress, that you can get on Amazon, which is really neat. And for the price that you pay, this is an excellent deal. Where else can you get a headboard, a footboard, a combined dresser with all the drawers underneath, no need for a box spring, and easy installation for the price that it's listed at? I think it's pretty incredible. Now, I purchased this for my son. He's a pretty big fella, over 200 pounds, and he sleeps on this very comfortably. It's sturdy, it's not shaky, it doesn't feel flimsy. It's a good, solid sleep base. And I think that this is definitely going to be something that lasts quite a while. The quality of the construction in this set is excellent. Here is a close-up of this really cool tufted footboard. You can see the detailing in the buttons. It's a really, really nice flannel material, good construction. Here is a close-up of the drawers. You can see them at floor level here. So here is the drawer right here. All you have to do is give this drawer a little lift like this to bring it out. Rolls out, you can put your stuff in here. There's the little hook and eye right here. Roll it back inside, give it a little lift. And it's nice and secure and sturdy. You don't have to worry about the drawers coming out on you. Pretty cool. And here is an up close of the headboard. Really nice detail, great tufting and buttons here. You can see really nice sturdy material. It's a nice thick padding. This is a really cool bed, people. If you are looking for a really great option for a headboard that has nice, clean, luxurious, modern lines, that gives you the versatility of choosing different colors, that comes in an all-in-one set, that gives you the bed base and a tufted footboard and a tufted headboard and 4 drawers that are really thoughtfully constructed on casters and nice, sturdy overall construction, This one here, the Allewie bed, is definitely a family favorite at our house.